Welcome to the motorhome era. Today, we're exploring the Vario Perfect 1200 QS Platinum, a hand-built German masterpiece that combines precision engineering with luxury travel. Its exterior reflects the elegance and strength of German design, mounted on a Mercedes chassis for unmatched stability and performance. The smooth aerodynamic lines, tinted panoramic windows, and polished metallic body make it instantly recognizable on the road. Step inside and the luxury continues. The living area features leather seating, ambient lighting, and wood accents, offering a cozy yet refined environment. The dining area and gourmet kitchen include polished countertops, modern appliances, and smart storage solutions, ideal for both short trips and long journeys. The master bedroom provides a spacious king-size bed, elegant finishes, and panoramic windows for stunning views, while the spa-inspired bathroom adds a touch of indulgence with its walk-in shower and premium fixtures. The cockpit combines comfort and technology with leather seats, touchscreen controls, and intuitive systems for effortless driving. Side slide-outs increase the living area, and exterior storage compartments provide ample room for gear and luggage. The motorhome also features advanced charging stations and power management systems, perfect for off-grid or extended travel. Vario Perfect 1200 QS Platinum is fully customizable, allowing owners to select finishes, floor plans, and features tailored to their lifestyle. Performance is smooth and responsive thanks to the Mercedes engine, while advanced safety features provide peace of mind on long drives. This motorhome represents the pinnacle of German craftsmanship, blending luxury, technology, and functionality in one high-end package. For travelers seeking elegance, comfort, and freedom on the road, the Vario Perfect 1200 QS Platinum is an unmatched choice in 2026.